Why didn't you?
I don't know. I couldn't. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
Just one more moment, that's all that's needed. Like wounded soldiers in need of healing. Time to be honest, this time I'm bleeding. Please don't dwell on it, 'cause I didn't mean it. I can't believe I said I'd lay our love on the ground, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I made it up. Forgive me now. Every day I spent away, my soul's inside out. Gotta be some way that I can make it up to you now. Somehow, by now you know that I come for you. No one but you. Yes, I come for you, but only if you told me to. I'd fight for you. I'd lie and true. Give my life for you. You know I'll always come for you. I'd
You don't
come
control the Raptors, it's a relationship. It's based on mutual respect.
Yes, I'd come for you, but only if you told me to.